Ladies and gents, we're just going to go through the clothes that I think I will actually wear in August. This is the monthly video that I do where I go through my whole wardrobe of the season's clothes and pick out some items I haven't worn for a while or that I particularly enjoyed wearing last year, last month, and rotate my clothes. So August collection is here. We're going to start with the basics. I don't think I really need to tell you about these, but the good old basic t-shirts of black, navy, white, plus this time I also want a bit of patterns. I've gone for a very simplistic rainbow design. All of these items are pretty old with a few new items added. This is a 3 or 4 years old mint velvet rainbow t-shirt. If I can find items similar to these, I will link them down below for you. But I fancied a little bit of design in my outfits in August where I'm wearing a t-shirt, so something a little bit special, so I've chosen that one as well. I've also chosen a t-shirt that I was wearing in June and I didn't get much wear out of it, so I'm going to give it another go. And this is the Madewell t-shirt that again is quite a few years old, and it's just got a bit of a graphic design on it for a bit of a fun outfit. It'd be appropriate for me to say at this point, this is a very good way of actually sifting through your clothes and putting items aside for charity that actually I've tried to wear it this month, I tried to wear it last month, it's just not working, I'm not going for it. So is it something you really need in your life, or is it that the occasion didn't come up? So do think of this as a way of having a bit of a closet declutter at the same time, as well as restyling items you've had in your wardrobe for quite a while and making use of the clothes you've bought over the last 5 to 10 years. So carrying on, I wanted to add back in my linen top that I've got one in white, I've got one in beige. I'm going to add them both into the August capsule. Ladies, this happens because it's real life and this is my real wardrobe. I can't find the beige one at the moment. When I find it, I'll be wearing it in August, but it's exactly the same shape as the white one. It's linen. I bought this on holiday abroad years ago, and I like the style of it. You know, it's got some buttons down the back. It's got a bit of an attractive shape in the back is lower than the front. And I like them both. So I'm going to find the beige one so I can wear it. Blouses I like to have available for me. So these are the clothes that are going to go into my wardrobe so as I can actually just pick a few, put them on, get dressed for the day. That's the idea. Anyway, so I'm using a silk blouse in navy. This is Lily silk. It may well be an occasion I might want to wear that to a bar for a little drink. Now this is a top, a blouse. It's a very summery one. I haven't worn it so far this year. I tend to wear it once or twice each year. I bought this in Loft a few years ago. Flutter sleeves, vertical stripes, cap sleeves, the flutter's capped. Yeah, I get quite a lot of use out of that. So I am going to give this a go for August of this year. It looks really great with white jeans. It would look good with, say, a satiny slip skirt in black, black loose trousers, that kind of thing, summer weight trousers. So that's going to have an outing, hopefully. Now last year I did buy this blouse. Look, this is just so quirky. I'm going to show you the back of it. Look at those animals on it. You know, I've got quite quirky style, a little bit boho. So this sort of thing really appeals. And I was waiting for more the latter part of the summer to wear this because with the greens and the rusts in it, it kind of is August into September. Short sleeved for the warmer weather anyway. And yeah, fun. This is fun. We've got to have a bit of fun with our clothes, I think. You know, I'm not classic. If you're looking for classic, don't come to this channel. There's a bit of classic mixed up with boho. That's how I am, really. This would be classic. Navy with some white dots. I mean, we do have to have some classic clothes, don't we? Because we've got to be able to go somewhere where we're expected to dress that way. So maybe somewhere I need to go or will be going where I wouldn't wear a blouse that's got giraffes all over it. But I would wear something in navy with some white splodges. Not neat dots, they're splodges. Anyway, this is a monsoon top, short sleeved, navy and white. Now Cabby is a brand in the States and the UK that sells kind of in the home, you know, you have independent distributors. So this is a Cabby top in a bright colour, small flowers. That is now a v-neck, it's short sleeveless, loose, and an attractive, fun colour. Bright, it's very much an on-trend colour. So this is going to get an outing, hopefully. In July, I put this off-the-shoulder top into my July collection and didn't get a chance to wear it. So I pulled it out for this time as well. A new item is another Lily silk top. This is in black with some ruching, and I quite fancy wearing this with some of the bottoms that I've got, which I'll show you in a second. So keep this in mind. We'll grab it again and I'll show you what I'm meaning. Now we can go on to some skirts. I've got a fun skirt that I bought a few years ago and have worn it a few times, but you don't see it very often. So it's a black skirt with all these gold emblems on. Magical, magical. So I reckon I'm going to be wearing this August, September, October. It's a bit Halloweeny, isn't it? Fun Halloween party type, you know, with the moon and so on. So yeah, let's try to wear this and have some fun with it. Then I've got some slip material, you know, like slip skirts, slip dresses and so on. I haven't got a dress, I've got a slip skirt in black and slip trousers. So there's the trousers, that's the skirt. I can do similar things with those, but what I can wear with the skirt can also wear with the trousers. So tops wise, you know, and jackets wise. Try and wear these during August as well. What I'm aiming to do is have a variety from what I wore in July, apart from things I particularly enjoyed wearing in July and didn't wear enough, that I actually want to wear again in August because I like them. An item I didn't have in July's capsule or June's is this slip skirt, but in the colour. You know, it's sort of reddy pink with some white and black flowers on, ditzy flowers, small flowers. Now this, for example, is one of the skirts that I thought this top would go with, because there's black in the flower, the centre of the flower is black, and this top would go with that. So that would make quite a nice outfit. I'm not putting it on. There will be another video where I'm showing you what I wore. And at the end of this video, I'm going to link for you July's outfits for this year and last August's outfits, so you can get some idea of how to put the clothes together, my style anyway, and how I would wear these. Then later on in this month, I'll put out a video that shows you how I am actually wearing this particular collection of clothes. And I think that will look really neat together. Some wide leg black trousers that I don't think I did. I wore these on holiday in July. I took these away on holiday, wore them with a red blouse and also with a beige flowered blouse. Yeah, so black wide leg trousers, lightweight. They are this time of year appropriate because of the thinner material. And I'm also pulling out some navy ones, very similar, thin navy lightweight trousers, wide legged. Back to a skirt, and I've got gingham. Now I did pull this out either in June with the intention of wearing it and didn't get around to it. I didn't choose it in July because I chose dresses rather than skirts to wear in July. But again, I think this top that I was talking about, I want to give a go, would go with it, you know? So that would be quite a good outfit. I just need places to go. That's the thing now. I've got these neat little outfits that I think will look good. Just take me somewhere, please take me somewhere. So lastly, on this front, it's a pleated skirt, navy pleated skirt. I bought this for £6 in Sainsbury's, I don't know, years ago, 5 years ago. But I just get so much use out of this. So that is coming out again. So as I said, in July, I didn't pull out skirts. I just concentrated on dresses. I really wanted to wear dresses. But in August, I'm back to skirts and trousers, and there are some dresses, and they're going to come up now. If you're enjoying this, do remember to give it a thumbs up. I do have a pair of palazzo trousers. These are beach trousers. You know, if I'm going to go to the seaside, go down to Brighton, go and wander around the beach, go to a barbecue, summer barbecue. So fun. I'm saying fun quite a lot, actually. I think my August capsule, I've brought out some fun items. I think my August capsule, I've been saying fun quite a lot. I've obviously got the fun vibe in me at the moment. I want to have fun, so I've got fun clothes, but this is another fun item. Continuing with the bottom half of the body, I have bought some new shorts this year. These, I surprised myself and bought these from Roman actually on Amazon, but they're Roman brand, and these actually have fake pockets there. They have a real belt hoops. Yeah, but quite stretchy, elasticated, and that's a fake button. So it gives the impression of being a button-up, zip-up short, but it's not, it's elasticated to pull on. But they actually do look really nice on, and they weren't a bad price. So I've still got the label on, I haven't worn them yet, but they will be coming out in August if the weather is appropriate, and by all accounts it will be. We will be having another heat wave, I think that's what they're saying. I bought new chinos. If you look to my Marks and Spencer's video where I revisited my purchases, the one that I called a fail, I bought myself in that video some new beige chinos because of my weight loss. I do like these a lot. Last couple of months I've been wearing my navy and white chinos, navy with white stripes and white with navy stripes chinos, and I thought this time I won't put those in the capsule. I am going to use these new beige ones just to have a different look to outfits. By actually pulling out different items, whether it's bottoms or tops, you're creating new outfits. So it may be some of my blouses would be the same as last month and the previous month, but the trousers are different. So you're actually using your wardrobe by having a selection that you haven't worn last month or the previous month, and you've got different items in the selection, so you're actually creating different looks and really making your wardrobe that you've got at home work for you. But I have a pair of joggers in khaki olive. These are very, very old, and I've really enjoyed over the last few years, since I've had them, about 5 years, wearing them. And this year I have not reached for them. They've been available, they've been in capsules, but I just not reached for them. And I think it might be that I'm not going to create a look that I'm going to show you out of them, whereas I did in the past, because they were a lot more current. And I'm not sure to what extent these are now. So I would put this on. So I brought it out to put into my capsule, put it on to go, say, to the shops with a t-shirt. So it's available for me to use that way. But whether I would actually then put it on Instagram or show you and say, here's an outfit, you let me know. Do you want to know what I'm wearing to do my housework in, what I'm wearing gardening in, and what I'm wearing going to the shops? You let me know in comments down below. Do you want to see that or not? That will determine whether I actually show you an outfit with these. On the other hand, I've got some white linen trousers that I've been using the last couple of months, and I do find the outfits that I managed to create out of these are appropriate to show you because they're quite stylish. This is not a sort of, they're casual, but they're stylish casual, more stylish than joggers are now. So a few years ago, joggers were stylish, everyone was wearing them and styling them. Now we come on to jeans. In the UK, we can have chilly summer days and hot summer days, and for the chilly summer days, we do need some light jeans. So I've got a pair of light wash denim because they would be handy, and white as well. Okay, one pieces, so basically dresses really, and one other item. So let's do the one other item first, shall we? Get that out of the way, then we know it's dresses after that. Jumpsuit. I used this in July. I enjoyed wearing it. I only wore it once or twice in July, so I want to carry on wearing it while I can, while the weather's hot. So yeah, that is going to make another appearance. So dresses. A maxi dress with pockets, stretch. I've had this 7 years maybe, but love it. I love the print on it. It's a subtle, colourful print against the black. It's a good length on me, and I very much enjoy wearing this, especially as it's got pockets. In July, I wore this dress, which is new this year from Monsoon. I do not believe it's still available. I don't think you can still buy it, but I know a few of you did buy it. And I wore it in July, loved it. Will continue to wear it in August because obviously I'm not going to be wearing it in January, am I? So wear it whilst the weather's warm enough. That goes for this red dress as well. You've seen it last month, and it's just a handy little summer day dress, knee-length day dress that a bit of design on it. Red. When the weather's hot and I'm just going to pop to the shops or to the pub or something like that, yeah, it's a handy little dress to wear. Then a couple of shirt dresses. I'm finding myself going up to London now and seeing people I used to do, go out with for work, and so I wanted something a little bit more formal but casual and summery. So I'm keeping the shirt dresses that I had in my July capsule in my August capsule, so as I can have them available to wear when I'm going up to, say, what we call it in the UK, the business district of London is the city. And it's not, say this wouldn't be appropriate, whereas that would, despite the fact I'm no longer working, but I still would feel more comfortable going up to the business district in that than I would in that. So I need a few shirt dresses just available as well. So I'm keeping the navy one from Bowden available, and I'm keeping my olive one as well that I used to wear to work available too for those type of events. What else? Okay, we need some outerwear as well. So for outerwear, you can see it, can't you? You can see it. Yeah, it's there, giving itself away. The yellow jacket that I've got from Marks & Spencer's, the yellow safari jacket. It's linen, it's a little bit thick. So it may be more appropriate for September, but if we do get a cooler summer day, then I want to have this available to wear because I love it. I'm going to wear it. So if I don't get a chance to wear it in August, I will wear it in September and into October perhaps, you never know. Equally, we may get some chilly days, and so a leather jacket is handy to have, and this is a light colour leather, so it's appropriate. It will go with the collection of clothes I've got for the texture and the colouring being a light leather. Then we have a denim style jacket, but in this sort of apricot colour. I'll put it straight on here. Right, there we go. Yeah, so it's apricot. It's not as pink as it looks on camera. This is apricot, and as I said, denim style, you know, with pop-up buttons and things. That will look nice over, say, the loose baggy trousers. It'll look nice over a maxi dress. Those very colourful palazzo pants, maybe. An opportunity to wear that too. Then I find this little navy zip-up jacket very handy, and this is Vera Moda, I believe. A couple of years ago in a marine blue. Would go well with this scarf, actually, being marine blue. But very lightweight, and in July I have worn this a lot. I haven't necessarily shown you the outfits. I just popped it on with some chinos and a t-shirt if I've wanted to just have another extra layering item. So I can see this still being useful in August. And then, if we have a cold day and I want a jumper, I need to have one available. So this peach coloured jumper or blush coloured jumper I keep available for July, August, September and June, just so as I've got something, I've got a jumper and it's summer colours. So I keep that available, so that keeps making an appearance, although so far this year hasn't been worn because we've generally been having a very hot summer here. Would I wear all those clothes? Of course not. No, I don't go enough places to wear them all. But when I do go places, I do want to have something available in my wardrobe for the weather and the occasion. So I am hoping that out of that collection of clothes, for whatever I'm doing, I'll be able to make myself an outfit and use my wardrobe. And I'll see you all in an outfit.